My name is Rachel Applebaum. I'm a junior and I go to the College of Worcester in Ohio. My story began when I was 12 years old. I went to a trampoline place when I noticed a woman signing an ASL. Because I knew a little ASL at that point, I was able to help her. I went home that night and realized that it is so cool to be able to communicate with people without having a language barrier. At that point, I continued learning ASL through being self-taught, tutors, and high school classes. During COVID, I began teaching ASL online at a beginning student level of all ages and continue to be excited to teach those excited to learn. I teach through music, games, and conversations. See you soon.